What's up mga buddy? So ngayon mga buddy, ano kaya ang maganda ang panoorin dito sa bahay? Yung maganda mga buddy So anime na lang yung panoorin natin. Kami doon ni The Boy. Matutulog kami 7:30. Manonood muna kami ng anime. 8 daw. 8 kami matutulog guys. Let's go. Eto na lang guys, the last Naruto. Okay, let's go. Okay. Ito na lang guys. So, what's up mga buds? Yun pala yung pinarood namin mga buds. Naruto, The Last. Kasi napakaganda niyang movie na yan mga buds.
I'll punch you too.
Yeah, I know, I got it. Hinata, I'll never let you out of my sight again.
You're what? You're already looking away.
What? What do you mean? I'm not looking away.
So, dito lang natatapos yung video natin mga buddy. Peace out.
Floating?
Subscribe.